Strange noises at night in my home in rural Ohio. I live near a forest in rural Ohio and was woken up to these strange noises. My dog's been barking late at night, waking me up. I heard these noises outside my kitchen window. I immediately closed and locked every window and door and went to bed. I have a hard time sleeping even now. Can someone please help explain this? I was laughing because I had never been so scared or nervous. Also, excuse the old slice filter. I accidentally swiped on a filter when I sent it to a close friend.